Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Metamask Bridge, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask app and already logged in, and now right after that once you open it you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metamask apps on the screen, where you can see the exchange option at the bottom of this dashboard. Simply tap on that exchange option and now you can see the bridge option at the fourth, so select that one and now you'll be redirected to the another page where you can use your Metamask Bridge successfully. From here you simply need to select the network, your amount, your network again, and your token. So yeah, this is how you can use Metamask Bridge, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.